January 12, 2013 in New York City on the planet Earth. He had to be held and taken care of all the time. He couldn't talk or tell mom and dad what was needed and had to wear diapers. And he drank lots of milk and slept most of the time. By 6 months, he could crawl super fast. This is Brett when he was a baby.